Passion. Google defined it as a strong feeling or emotion. I define it as a driving force in doing what makes sense to you. Passion is not a hobby. Passion is not a dream. Passion is the reason why we push ourselves so hard, past agony, past anger, and most importantly, past our limits. You haven't found your passion unless someone deems you crazy. It's ingrained into your body and even in your soul. Being passionate about something means to be really happy when you're doing it, and then adding a level of obsession into it. Whether your passion is playing in sports, playing an instrument, or simply just helping others, it is an unstoppable force. It is the reason why athletes wake up about 5 a.m. in the morning just to train. It is the reason why musicians spend hours and hours practicing their instruments. It is the reason why those people give up their time to help others, not for their own benefit, but for the benefit of others. To be passionate about something is not just simply finding joy in doing it. To be passionate about something means to be obsessed about doing it, to the point of not being able to stop or refrain from doing it. Passion is the combination of love and hatred. It means to embrace something that you will never be able to escape from. It is a blessing and a curse. Passion is so powerful, and many people choose not to embrace their passion. Many people take the practical path, the path of a steady job, buy a car, pay your bills. But what's the point of living if you're not doing what you love? To strive for passion is to be different from the rest, to challenge tradition, to push boundaries to truly live. Your passion doesn't need to make sense to everyone around you. It only needs to make sense to you. Live for yourself. Live for your passion.
The kind car when they drive, you see the crate for bike.